It's your girl, Crystal Chanel, and I know it's been a minute, y'all, but I promise I am back. As you can see, my hair is out. That means today is all about the hair. I did partner with Wiggins Hair, and y'all, can I be honest with you? I don't know. I might be a little skeptical. They promised me a wig straight out of the box, straight onto my head without having to cut it, pluck it, do anything to it, maybe style it, and that's it. So if you want to see what's in this box and how it works for my install, stay tuned. Let's not waste any time. I'm gonna jump right into it. Wiggins did send me this package. Let's see what's inside. So they have the wig in here. Of course, they give you goodies. I love when they give you goodies. So just really quick, we have some eyelashes. We have a hairband, which is really nice. Looks like this is a hairband if you want to melt your wig. You have a brush and a comb for your baby hairs. I'm happy they gave me some wig caps. They have a bag, which is most important to me. I like to store my wigs nice and secure when I'm not using them. And looks like this is an adjustable strap. Okay, it's another tie down like scarf. Okay, so that's what comes in the box. Now let's get into this wig. Looks like I got the size small, and this is 24 inches, 5x5 lace. Y'all, don't worry. I will put the details to everything down in the description box so that you can shop. And, you know, of course, I'm going to look for a discount code. Okay, I see what they did. Okay. I'm not mad at this at all, y'all. Wow. So they already really did cut the lace. I don't know about y'all, but for me, whenever I have to cut my lace, I'm always nervous. I'm scared. And honestly, I never do the best job, but I just make it work. Get into this lace, honey. Like, I love how they pre-plucked it. So it doesn't look like I'm going to have to do much of anything to this. They did the zigzag cut. So it's kind of jagged, which is something that I've always tried to do. And I wasn't really successful in doing that. This is 5 inches going across, so that's going to be across your forehead, and then it goes back 5 inches, which is my favorite, so I can have a deep middle part. I can literally so far just take this out the box and put it on my head. You can tell already that these knots are very much bleached. I can tell because you can kind of see the lightened brown. Now, if you don't bleach your knots, old school way, you end up having like little black dots, like you can see the grid of the lace. So it's important to bleach your knots, and the fact that they do it for you, you don't have to mess around with any bleach. It looks pretty natural in the front, so it's not too dense. I hate when I see wigs and they're like really thick in the front. It looks really wiggy on. So yeah, so far I'm loving this hair. She feels soft. She kind of already has curl to her, but don't worry, we're gonna actually end up throwing some more curls. Looking at the construction, it looks pretty clean and well made. I love that. Looks like they do have a comb in the back at the nape so that you can go ahead and secure your wig that way. I'm absolutely loving this, y'all. Like, you can make it as big or as loose as you want to.
Okay, so now we're going to install the wig. As you saw, my hair was big and it was out. I just went ahead and put 2 big twists down my hair, and I'm gonna pin that up in the back. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the wave cap. Notice I'm using just a darker toned wave cap, honestly, because this is bleached knots. I think it's gonna look good regardless.
Now, come on, y'all. This is pretty good. You gotta give Wiggins hair some credit. This is pretty good, y'all. Like, look how good that looks. Oh, this hair feels soft. This cap feels good. She's on nice and tight. I could really just leave right now if I wanted to. I wouldn't have to do anything more to this wig. I didn't use any got to be spray. I didn't use any glue. It's 100% glueless. As you can see, the actual lace isn't sticking up or anything. I like how it lays flush kind of with my hairline. This is pretty, y'all. This wig is 100% divine. I'm gonna put a couple of curls in it and let's see what she's looking like. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the styling, but first I wanted to share how I feel about the hair. This is just, again, straight out the box. These are the curls that it came with. This is the body wave hair. It's 100% human hair, and the fact that it already came styled, I love that. What do y'all think so far? I do believe this is the best wig that I've had straight out the box, truly ready to go, because I didn't have to cut anything. The plucking looks really good. It's already pre-bleached, and the fact that it's already styled, like chef's kiss, 100%. I love it. I'm just going to lay this down with some of this wax. That way I have a nice and flat silhouette. This also helps with flyaways. If you like big hair, I'm pretty sure on their website you can choose the density. The website actually was pretty simple to use. In fact, I liked how they had pictures of real reviews. So if you guys need more convincing besides this video, there are actual customer reviews with pictures on there, so you can kind of get a real feel as far as what to expect from the hair. I do like adding a little bit of oil to my hair just to kind of give it that weightiness, and so that I don't have like a whole lot of flyaways. I'm gonna spray my hair with some of this, which is heat protectant. If y'all can't tell, I treat my weave like I treat my real hair because it's an investment, okay? The better you take care of your weave, the better your weave will take care of you. I'm going to actually wash this wig later. I always recommend, even though you saw me just take this out the box and put it on, I did that just to show you guys actually what it looks like and what to expect. But I always 100% recommend for you to wash your wig before you wear it. My curling iron, by the way, is set to 400 degrees, and she's good. She doesn't smell funny. It's not burning, so that's definitely a good sign. I may give you guys an update video as far as how I like it. If that's something you want to see, comment, let me know, or give me a thumbs up, like, you know, let the girl know so I know if I should record that for you or not. So far, I would say the curl test is working for me because it doesn't smell funny. I don't see anything burning. It can take the 400 degrees, which is what I normally curl my hair to. The hair is soft, and yeah, I like it so far. Y'all, can we just get into the finished look? Like, I haven't even combed through it yet, and I'm in love. I am so in love with this look. And really just on the ends. Look how bouncy. Look how cute. Tell me what y'all thinking right now. Tell me how you thinking. I'm loving the longness of this wig. I think the curls look beautiful. I would say this wig is 100% beginners friendly. I absolutely adore it, and I will 100% recommend it. I'll leave the link down below. I'll find a coupon for you dolls. Wiggins Hair is the brand. Again, the density and all the details are down below in the box. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel and my fitness channel. I am back making video for you dolls. Leave any requests that you have down below. Make sure that you're also following me on Instagram at crissythedoll_official. And like always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.